Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm gonna tell you how old do you have to be to use ChatGPT. So basically this ChatGPT is not for children or under 18 because maybe they can't understand of this ChatGPT's disadvantages. Maybe they can misuse of this feature. You can do misuse this ChatGPT features. That's why this ChatGPT should not use by children. So if I go for this Google browser and search here that is ChatGPT safe for all ages, then you can see ChatGPT is not meant for children under 13 and we require that children ages 13 to 18 obtain parental consent before using ChatGPT. So basically, uh, ChatGPT should not used by children's. Uh, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.